welcome back to my channel. I'm Jelena and this is Ballet for All. Today I have for you 4 exercises that are going to help you to improve your arches, your toes and your work on demi-point. The only thing that we are going to need is a bar or a chair so we can help ourselves to support our body weight while doing the exercises. Before we get into the routine, I will ask you to check the links that I left for you in the description of this video, where I left few exercises to warm up your foot, to stretch your toes, your arches before getting into these exercises, which are a little bit more challenging. Saying that, let's get to it. Let's begin with our first exercise. Facing bar, parallel position. Use your foot to actually press and feel your body weight distributed between your 2 foot equally, okay? Also remember, squeeze your legs together, zipping your glutes in, belly inside, pelvis in a neutral position with your back. Open chest, really proud, chin up, and long neck. And don't forget to breathe. Now what we're going to do in our first exercise, we are just going to do demi-point, and we are going to focus in and keeping a straight line between your knee and your toes. Don't break the line, either cycling or winging, just straight line and down. And we are going to do 4 each foot. Keep going with me. Let my voice to guide you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push your arches and 8. Second exercise, we are going to add a demi-plie and we are going to push even farther forward our arches. What are we going to do is demi-point, arches, and we are going to add a demi-plie, a stretch demi-point, and down. I'm going to put it sideways so you can see better what I'm asking from you. Demi-point, a straight line, keep going, demi-plie, and up, and down. And repeat with the other foot. 1, and slowly press down, and go all the way down. Now when we do that exercise, we have to be careful on pressing too hard forward and we can injure ourselves. Just do it to your own limits, to your own level, and if you feel any pain, stop, go back to stretching to warm up your feet, and then come back to these exercises. I do strongly recommend to do that, okay? We are going to do this second exercise 4 times again each foot. Okay, let's do it together and let my voice to guide you. Together, 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi-point, plie, press, demi-point, stretch, and down. Change legs, demi-point, plie, press, press, and up, and down. And go one more time. Demi-point, plie, press, and stretch, and recover, change, demi-point, plie, press, and up, and 2 more, go 1, plie, and up, down, and 1, plie, keep the straight line between your toes and your knee, don't break the line, and down, and last one we go 1, plie, press, keep your upright position, and down, and we change 1, plie, push your arches, up, and down. That's it, that's our second exercise. Now, our third exercise is a little bit more challenging, and it's gonna actually demand from you a strong control of your ankles and the muscles around that are in charge of controlling your balance. Now, you may see that when we do the exercises, your ankles are gonna shake a little bit, and that's likely for the lack of strength on the muscles around your ankle. If you need some exercises, I will also leave a link in the description of this video for you that will give you 4 exercises and 3 tips to help you improve your ankles muscles and to help you control your balance when doing demi-point coup de pied or passé. Okay, let's get to our 3rd exercise. Again, parallel position facing the bar. We are going to do demi-plie, work through your both demi-points, stretch and down. We are going to repeat that 4 times. Now, I'm going to do it sideways so you can see better. And my tip here for you is, when you do demi-plie, you keep a very high releve or demi-point. What we're going to do, we maintain both feet together, and that same 8 that your arches is, try to leave it there. Don't go down. We stretch up, and leave it the same height. Let's try doing it, okay? This gonna demand a lot of control from you, a lot of engaging all of your body muscles, core muscles that are gonna help you to keep your pelvis in neutral position. Let's get to it. We are gonna repeat 4 of these slowly and let my voice to guide you. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie 1 and work through and stretch really tall. Sipping your glutes, pelvis, belly, chest, and down. And repeat. Plie, work through, stretch really tall, legs together, and down. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, and down. And last one. 1. Push your arches, feel it, stretch up, and down. That was great, guys. I hope you're really feeling how your toes, how your arches are really working, and the strength that this is demanding from your ankles, okay? 4th and last exercise, we are gonna do the reverse action of the 3rd exercise. So, we are going to do a really high releve, and this one is a little bit more challenging even than the 3rd one, as I'm going to ask you to do plie. And here, look how my legs are shaking. Can you see it? This is for the lack of strength of ankles and controlling all those muscles around there. So, then plie, work down and stretch. And again, up. Okay, let's get to it. Together, we are going to do this 4 times. It's our last exercise, so we can do it. Upright position, chin up, glutes, and let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Releve 1, demi-plie together, slowly down, and stretch. And releve, demi-plie, push, 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 together, and up. It's normal, up. If your ankles are shaking, go and check the strength exercises for your ankles and control of your balance that I have. 2 more, up, plie, press, 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 down, and stretch. Upright position, don't ever forget about it. Last time, up. Really push and feel it. Down and up. Thank you very much for joining me, guys. I hope you liked the videos, you enjoyed. If you did so, remember to give some thumbs up. If you have any other requests for a future video, leave it on the comments below. I for sure will check and will love to work on your questions. Something else is that this exercise It's great not only to improve your arches and point, but it's also great to build and gain that strength and control when doing any demi-point balance. I'm going to leave again more videos for you in the description of this video for how to warm up, conditioning and stretching your foot. It's really important for us dancers that we really care and dedicate time to maintain our foot happy. If you are new in my channel, remember to subscribe, give some likes and click the little bell right beside the subscription button so every time I upload a video you get a direct notification. See you next time!